Hi guys, last class we discussed about the hello world, right? Today we are going to see about data types and variables. What is data types and what is variables? Variables are the containers which is going to store some content in it. Content in a sense which is data. Container may be of different types. The type of the container can be defined by data types. I will explain you with this example. Int a equal to 10. What is this? Here a is a container which is going to store a value 10, but that container is defined with some data type which is called int. In a sense, what it does mean is this container a can hold only a integer data. This container a can hold only a integer data. 10 is a integer data, so this a can hold that 10 into it. Like this int, there are many types of data types. You can see those data types here. I don't want to spend much time on it. I will run through it quickly. Boolean, char, byte, short, these are all the different data types. We will discuss all of these data types in our upcoming videos, and you can refer through it if you really need it. And okay, I will directly go to the coding part. Okay, this is the part where we stopped in the last class. Okay, we will start our coding session today. I'm defining a data type now. I'm defining a container. What type of container it is? Glass, plastic, like that. I'm defining a container that is int, which means this container a which is going to store only a integer data. So I'm putting a integer data 500 into it. Now this container a have a data 500. What this will do, if I put that a into our println syntax, system.out.println a, what it will do? Just we will run it and try. See, hey, we got that value, right? Why? Because we already defined a and that a have some value 500 in it. So what will happen? This system.out.println convert that a to a string, which means it will not convert the a, it will convert that value inside it and will print it. What if we put double quotation to it? It's printing that a, because we directly passing the string inside it, so it will directly print only that string. If I add this to a plus a, of course we will try like this. Now okay, I need 1000. That is what our expecting output, right? But I need 500. Why it happened so? Why? Because I need this a 500 first joined with that string and it converted to a string. I need 500 and that again that one more 5 also joined with it, and this both combined together and we got 500. How to solve this problem? Put a bracket and add that both first. Add that both 500 plus 500. Now it will become 1000 now. Then after it converting into 1000 and it's get adding with I need, now it converted to a whole string, I need 1000. Yeah, that's great. Okay, we will try like this. String is also a data type, which means it is a container which can store a set of character. I'm going to put some character into this container b. I need. Okay, I'm going to replace this I need with that variable b. I need 1000. Oh, great. Okay, friends, you just pause the video and try to do this exercise. What I need is, I need your name and your name, which means if your name is Jacob, name Jacob, and your register number or roll number 12, 13. Like that, try by yourself and then come back. Okay guys, hope you did it. If not, I'll tell you how to do that. First, I'm defining a string. Now I have a container name which is of string data type. I'm storing my name into it. After that, I have another container which is of integer data type. I'm storing my register number into it. Okay, now I need to print this both on the console. System dot out dot println. Okay, name, whatever content present inside the double quotation which be printed directly as it is, and name which we already defined, so the content which is inside that container called name, that will get printed outside. Name John. You get it, right? Okay, next I need to print my register number. I'll copy paste it. Register number. That register number we gave directly as a string, so that register number will get printed outside, and then that register number is a container, so whatever the data present inside it, that will print outside. That's all for today class, friends. I'll see you in my next class.